Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata.com. Comparing dates in PHP is very easy when the format is same. Okay, so you can simply use the if condition without doing anything. Okay, so the problem arises when the date format is different to compare. Okay, so I'm going to show you the two simple methods to compare the dates with different format. Okay, so here we go. So the first method I'm going to use is StartToTime function. Okay, so for that let's edit this date in different format. Okay, the first format is as it is. Now I'm going to change the second one. Okay, so this is my second date. Now we have to make the different variable $new date 1. Okay, so equals to, so here I'm going to use the StartToTime function and just pass the date 1 here. Okay, and I'm going to copy this whole and I'm going to make it new date 2. Okay, so I'm going to pass, so I'm passing here date 2. Fine. So what StartToTime function does is it converts date into DateTime stamp. Now after converting this date into DateTime stamp, now we can compare the new date. Okay, in this variable now, new date 1 and new date 2. If new date 1 is greater than new date 2, then it will show date 1 is latest date than date 2, else date 1 is older than date 2. Okay, so let's see this. Reload the browser. So you can see here our date 1 is older than date 2. Okay, so in this way, with this function, with the help of this function, you can compare the dates with different format. Okay, and now we have the second method, and that is we are going to use the DateTime function to convert the date into DateTime. Okay, so DateTime class we will use. So here what we have to do is, let's delete this first. We don't need to make a new variable in this method. You just need to put there new DateTime. Okay, and just pass the date. Fine. Similarly, in the second date also you will do the same thing. Okay, so now here we just can put date 1 and date 2. Okay, and here we will write in different format. Okay, so $date 1, and then we are going to make the same format in the output. Okay, so simply write format and then pass the format here YMD. Okay, so this is my format I want to show in the result, and then we will write here something. Okay, so here is latest then. Okay, so simply you copy this and then paste here, and this is date 2. Okay, so both the date will be so in the same format. Okay, and similarly copy this in the else section. Just I'm going to write here older. Okay, so now save this, and now you can see here both the date is in same format. Okay, isn't it? So that is because of this thing. Okay, so both the dates are in same format. It is clear, isn't it? So this is the two method. One is StartToTime function and second one is DateTime function. Okay, so I hope you understand these methods and it will help you. Thank you, and check out our channel Flowing Data.